Hello everyone! Welcome to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write an ESL teacher job application letter, step by step. I'll explain what each part of the letter is about, why it's important, and give you useful tips so you know exactly what to write when you're applying for an ESL teaching position. Let's start by understanding what this type of letter is. An ESL teacher job application letter is a formal letter written to apply for a position teaching English as a second language. This letter introduces you as an ESL teacher, highlights your experience teaching non-native English speakers, explains your teaching methods, and shows the school or language academy why you are a good fit for their program. This letter usually goes together with your resume and certifications, and it plays a big role in whether you get shortlisted for an interview. Now, let's go through the letter and break down each part. We start with the sender's details at the top of the letter. This section includes your full name, your home address, your professional email address, and your phone number. This information allows the employer to easily identify you and contact you. Even if your resume already includes these details, they must still appear in the letter for it to be complete and professional. In this letter, the sender's details are written as Sophia Ramirez, 4178 Willowbrook Lane, Anaheim, CA 92805. Email, sophia.ramirez@email.com. Phone, 714-639-5821. When writing your own letter, always use a professional email address and make sure your phone number is correct and active. Next comes the date. The date shows when the letter was written and helps the employer organize applications properly. Always write the full date. In this letter, the date is written as Date, March 15th, 2026. Always remember to update the date before sending your application. After that, we write the receiver's details. This section shows who the letter is addressed to and where it is being sent. It tells the employer that your letter is meant specifically for them. In this letter, the receiver's details are Hiring Manager, Bright Path Language Academy, 2260 East Catella Avenue, Orange, CA 92867. This makes the letter look targeted and professional, not generic. Next is the subject line. The subject line clearly states the purpose of the letter in one short sentence. In this letter, the subject line is written as Subject, Application for ESL Teacher Position. Always keep your subject line simple, clear, and professional. Now we move to the salutation, which is very important. The salutation is how you greet the reader respectfully. If you don't know the person's name, Dear Hiring Manager is a safe and professional option. In this letter, the salutation is written as Dear Hiring Manager. Never skip the salutation because it sets the formal and respectful tone of the letter. Now let's go into the main body of the letter, starting with the first paragraph, also known as the introduction. This paragraph explains why you are writing and briefly introduces your experience and confidence as an ESL teacher. It should clearly mention the position you are applying for. Why this paragraph is important is because it creates the first impression. The employer should immediately understand your purpose and see that you are qualified. Tips for this paragraph. Be confident, mention your experience, and keep it clear and focused. In this letter, the entire first paragraph is written as I am writing to apply for the ESL teacher position at Bright Path Language Academy. With over 4 years of experience teaching English to non-native speakers and a strong background in lesson planning and language assessment, I am confident in my ability to support students in developing practical and effective communication skills. This paragraph clearly states the position, highlights experience, and shows confidence, which is exactly what employers want to see. Now let's move to the second paragraph, which focuses on your teaching experience and responsibilities. In this paragraph, you describe what you do in your current or previous ESL teaching role. You should talk about the types of students you teach, the skills you focus on, and how you design and assess lessons. Why this paragraph is important is because it shows your real, hands-on ESL teaching experience. Tips for this paragraph. Mention specific ESL skills like speaking, listening, reading, and writing, and show that you can handle diverse learners. In this letter, the entire second paragraph is written like this. In my current role at Global Bridge Learning Center in Anaheim, I teach ESL classes to students from diverse cultural backgrounds, focusing on speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills. I design engaging lessons tailored to different proficiency levels and regularly assess student progress to ensure continuous improvement. This paragraph clearly shows practical ESL teaching skills and experience with diverse learners. Next is the third paragraph, which focuses on your passion and teaching philosophy. This paragraph explains how you create a positive classroom environment and why you want to work at this specific institution. It shows your values and motivation as a teacher. Why this paragraph is important is because language schools want teachers who can motivate students and create a supportive learning environment. Tips for this paragraph. Be sincere, highlight inclusivity, and connect your teaching values with the school's mission. In this letter, the entire third paragraph is written as, I am passionate about creating an inclusive classroom environment that encourages confidence and active participation. BrightPath Language Academy's commitment to student-centered learning and language excellence aligns closely with my teaching philosophy, and I would welcome the opportunity to contribute my skills to your program. This paragraph connects personal passion with the school's goals, making the application more convincing. Now let's look at the final body paragraph, also known as the closing paragraph. This paragraph politely expresses your availability for an interview, thanks the employer, and shows interest in further discussion. Why this paragraph is important is because it closes the letter in a professional and respectful way. Tips for this paragraph. Be polite, confident, and appreciative. In this letter, the entire closing paragraph is written as, I am available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached by phone or email. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to further discuss how I can support your students' learning goals. This paragraph leaves a positive final impression. After that, we end the letter with the closing phrase and signature. The closing phrase is usually sincerely, followed by your signature and your typed name. In this letter, it is written as sincerely, signature, Sofia Ramirez. This completes the formal structure of the letter. Before we finish, here are some overall tips and reminders for writing an ESL teacher job application letter. Always tailor your letter to the specific school or language academy. Highlight your experience with diverse learners and communication skills. Keep your language clear and professional, and always proofread your letter carefully. Most importantly, let your passion for teaching English and helping students succeed come through naturally. And that's how you write an ESL teacher job application letter, step by step, in a clear and professional way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more easy and practical writing guides. Thank you so much for watching Writing Tutorials. See you on the next video.